If you want to join our giveaways, check the description below and take a chance to win.
Ethereum keeps on holding its crown of practically the biggest altcoin, which especially is very critical. The computerized resource is presently the discussion of the crypto stanza. As the last period of the consolidation most certainly is supposed to achieve by September. Which will go against the impediments of Ethereum's blockchain innovation. Wherefore, the update holds the wistful interests of financial backers and merchants. Who hold stakes in store agreements of ETH 2.0, which had as of late outperformed the count of 10 million. With the eagerly awaited generally overhaul crawling nearer each spending day, the interest around its value projection is developing stronger, which is genuinely huge. Will Ethereum truly arise to walk to new highs whenever sooner? Or then again will Ethereum lose its crown to other likely digital currencies? This review will get every one of your questions arranged in an unobtrusive manner. Lock in as we decipher the conceivable value expectations of ETH for 2022 and the years to come. Ethereum price prediction for 2022. Ethereum has started the year at a comparative speed to that of the final quarter. The cost on the main day of the year most certainly was seen at $3,755.55 in a significant manner. Which has likewise been the most significant level for the year. The main quarter has been genuinely harsh, with ramifications of the Russian attack, Fed's rate climb, in spite of prevalent thinking. Also, worries of government elements over pow chains. Following turbulences in the business, the cost of ETH had lined to $2,459.64 by the 7th of March. While it did for the most part represent a 35% flood to close the quarter at $3,390.73. Nonetheless, the subsequent quarter had been considerably more deceptive, which hauled the cost of ETH by more than 70%. Ethereum price forecast for Q3. The ideal rollout of Ethereum's actually the greatest update ETH 2.0 is supposed to be finished by August. It will be basic for the drive of ETH's cost in a significant manner. Wherefore, the cost of the biggest altcoin could move to a by and large limit of $2,236.05 toward the quarter's end. On the other side, an absence of filling drives could drag the cost to at least $1,482.74, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Nonetheless, normal trading tensions will land the cost at $1,833.35. ETH price prediction for Q4. In the event that the organization sees a decrease in blockage and gas expenses following the formative drives, Ethereum would find more up-to-date purchasers and undertakings embracing the organization. In such a case, ETH's cost could chug up to $2,802.92. Conversely, assuming the organization disturbs further, the altcoin could swing down to $1,910.24. All things considered, obliged by the straight projection of value, the typical cost could land at $2,298.13. Ethereum price prediction for 2023. On the off chance that ETH 2.0 carries out in the fringe of 2022, we can expect 2023 to start on a bullish note. Which could drive in additional partnerships, appropriations, and financial backers, in spite of prevalent thinking. Wherefore, the cost of ETH could end the exchange for 2023 at $4,374.16. Nonetheless, on a negative note, the altcoin could end its exchange for the year at $2,394.51. All things considered, obliged by a direct force, the typical cost could find its base at $3,106.09, or so they thought. ETH price forecast for 2024 in an unpretentious manner. The developing unmistakable quality of Ethereum could welcome worldwide acknowledgement and carry out of ETFs and spot ETFs. This could invite a more extensive crowd who could in a real sense push the cost to more noteworthy levels, which is very critical. emerging which ETH cost could head towards its kind of likely high of $6,791.74 toward the finish of 2024. Then again, on the off chance that the bears surpassed the bulls, the cost could downturn to at least $3,593.52. Progressively, a harmony in trading tensions could land the cost at $4,720.67. Ethereum price prediction for 2025. On the off chance that the Ethereum environment by and large spotlights on supporting its endeavors, focus on new undertakings, improvements, and associations to upgrade the organization, truly in spite of mainstream thinking for the most part. With more up-to-date refreshes connected with Ethereum 2.0 like forsaking the POW, which really is genuinely huge. Also, assuming that versatility is sufficient and ETH 2.0 becomes easy to use toward the finish of 2025. ETH price truly is expected to hit its limit of $10,124.42 in an unobtrusive manner. Nonetheless, in the event of a potential accident because of any potential guidelines, vulnerability might make the ETH tumble to $5,575.92, or so they thought. All things considered, taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on, the normal cost could settle at $7,576.02. What basically is Ethereum, ETH? Ethereum certainly is a genuinely decentralized open-source blockchain, underlining savvy contract usefulness. Ether is the sort of local digital currency made by Ethereum diggers as a profit for estimations directed to safeguard the blockchain. The organization generally began to work on 30 July 2015, which is very critical. As of then 72 million coins were printed. This reports for around 65% of the complete coursing supply in April 2020, or so they thought. The convention deals with the POW agreement component and will change the POS system amazingly. This is supposed to happen at some point by mid of 2022. Our ETH price prediction. Factors like the effective change to POS and developing effort could lean stars for the convention in a significant manner. With a lift to the nostalgia conviction of financial backers and brokers, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. The cost of ETH could basically drive to $2,800 toward the finish of 2022. On the disadvantage, expanding FUD among financial backers and absence of updates could check the cost to bottoms at $1,900. Verifiable price sentiments, in spite of prevalent thinking. 2016. ETH started rising consistently in January 2016 and arrived at a cost top at $15 in March. Following this, in light of the Ethereum by and large